Hello friends, so welcome back to another video of handy gifts. In today's video I'll be showing you another website where you can make on